So last week we learned all about the nose. Now this week we're going to learn about the tongue. Welcome to the Nose and Tongue, Part B. Let us review. The nose is an organ of taste and the nose is an organ of smell. Smells and tastes are chemicals. Cells called chemoreceptors send information to your brain. Your nose has two holes called nostrils and they open into a hollow space called the nasal cavity. There, short hair filters out dust and mucus warms and moistens the air before it goes to your lungs. And then when the olfactory chemicals go into your nose, it goes to the olfactory hairs where the mucus dissolves it and the odorant molecules get absorbed so that your brain can go, that is air we smell. No, it's probably just poo. This is a diagram of your tongue. We have the papillae, which is little dots all over your tongue. There's different types of them. We don't have to go into them. Just important, they are called the papillae. Can you see papillae, 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 papillae? That is the group of what? Each one is a group of taste buds. This is your taste buds, and you know what your taste buds do, right? I hope so, but let's learn about it. Tongue and taste. The main purpose of your sense of taste is to tell you whether or not something is safe to eat. For example, rotten food and most poisonous plants taste revolting, so your immediate reaction is to spit them out. The surface of your tongue is covered with tiny bumps called papillae. Many of these are lined with taste buds, which contain chemoreceptors called gustatory receptor cells. These are sensitive to chemicals from your food which dissolve in your saliva, your spit. The cell sends nerve impulses to the brain which interprets them as taste. So everybody's got a tongue. And each tongue has a papilla. And a group of papilla is called papillae, right? And on the papilla, we have these little nerve cells called taste buds. Basic tastes. Most of your taste buds lie at the sides and the back of your tongue, although you have a few in other places around your throat. Buds in different areas of your tongue respond more strongly to different tastes. Scientists think that there are four main tastes: sweet, salt, sour, and bitter. All flavors are made up of these basic tastes, plus smells detected by your nose. You cannot have a flavor without smell. Okay? So these are the parts. Sweet is right in front. Salt is on the sides, sour is in the back on the sides, and bitter is way in the back. These are your tonsils, and they also have taste buds in them. Taste and smell. The senses of smell and taste are closely related. When you eat, odorant molecules from the food travel up the pharynx into your nasal cavity, where the smell is detected in the usual way. If you have a cold, however, you often lose your sense of smell and taste. This is because the lining of your nose swells and makes thicker mucus than normal. This makes it harder for odorant molecules to reach the olfactory hairs. Your tongue can still detect the basic tastes, but you cannot identify the more subtle flavors. Let us review. The main function of our taste is to tell us if something is rotten or poisonous. Your tongue is covered in papilla, and your papilla contains taste buds. Your taste buds has gustatory receptors, and this takes the info to our brain. Your taste and smell functions are connected. Your nose can smell, your tongue can taste, but only your nose and tongue together can tell what flavor something is.